Let's wire up this GFI. So we got our line coming in, hot neutral. This comes from the panel. We got our load going out, meaning that is going to other outlets like that one and further downstream. So, and this is our ground. Let's wire the outlet. Ground, done. Line neutral, done. Line hot, done. Load neutral, done. Line, load hot, done. Right there. So what we have is we have our power coming in. That is our line, hot and neutral. This is our load leaving, hot and neutral. This GFI will protect the other outlets in the garage. Got it secured in the wall. This is a self-grounding outlet, that brass tab right there. But we're using Romex in a plastic box, so it doesn't do anything for this situation. But in metal boxes, that's a self-grounding outlet. Okay, so I'm back at the outlet again. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this better. There's the GFI. I'm going to trip it from the other outlet that's loaded off of it. There you go. So that's what line load does on a GFI. If you'd like to get some of these, put the link right there, that little orange shopping cart, and get yourself one. They work flawlessly, easy to install, just like the rest of them. They are tamper-proof, meaning that a child can't just stick something in one of these holes. You have to push a plug in it, you know, so they only both go in at once. You can't do one at a time, so it's like child-proof. Anyway, there you go. Okay, so we got the trim plate on and the power turned on. Yeah, it pops, it resets. Wired correctly. I'm gonna hit the trigger and it trips. Get the green light when it's good, the red light when it trips. Okay, so now we can take this over. Okay, so now we're at another garage outlet. Okay, and this is a trigger here to trip the GFI. So if you can see that one over there, I'm going to trip it. Did you hear it? Did you see it? It's back out. So that's what loading outlets off the load side of the GFI does. Okay, so I reset it, it's on, I'm at the other outlet, I'm going to trip it.